Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss 6 ways to say yes in Norwegian. Norwegian, with its rich expressions for affirmations, offers various ways to say yes, each fitting different contexts. Here are 6 ways to express agreement or consent in Norwegian, complete with examples for better understanding. Ja, ja, ja. The standard yes. Ja, ja, ja is the most straightforward and universally used word for yes in Norwegian, suitable for both formal and informal settings. For example, vil du ha kaffe? Vil du ha kaffe? Vil du ha kaffe? Do you want coffee? Ja takk. Ja takk. Ja takk. Yes, please. Jo da. Jo da. Jo da. Yes, despite doubt. Jo da. Jo da is used to give an affirmative answer, especially when someone expresses doubt or when you're correcting someone's mistaken assumptions. For example, statement Du liker vel ikke denne filmen? Du liker vel ikke denne filmen? Du liker vel ikke denne filmen? You don't like this movie, do you? Answer Jo da, den er faktisk ganske bra. 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 Yes, it's actually quite good. You, you, you. Yes, in contradiction. You is used to contradict a negative statement or question, especially when the assumption is incorrect. For example, Du liker ikke kaldt vær, eller? Du liker ikke kaldt vær, eller? Du liker ikke kaldt vær, eller? You don't like cold weather, do you? Jo, jeg liker faktisk kaldt vær. Jo, jeg liker faktisk kaldt vær. Jo, jeg liker faktisk kaldt vær. Yes, I actually like cold weather. Selvfølgelig, 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 of course. Selvfølgelig, 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 meaning of course or certainly, is used when the affirmative answer is obvious or to express strong agreement. For example, Kan du hjelpe meg med dette? Kan du hjelpe meg med dette? Kan du hjelpe meg med dette? Can you help me with this? And the answer is Selvfølgelig kan jeg det. Selvfølgelig kan jeg det. Selvfølgelig kan jeg det. Of course I can. Absolutt. 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 Absolutely. Absolutt. Absolutt. Absolute is a strong affirmative akin to absolutely in English. It's used to express complete agreement or strong affirmation. Statement Dette er en god idé, ikke sant? Dette er en god idé, ikke sant? Dette er en god idé, ikke sant? This is a good idea, isn't it? Then you can respond Absolutt. Jeg er helt enig. Absolutt. Jeg er helt enig. Absolutt. Jeg er helt enig. Absolutely. I completely agree. Greit. 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 All right. Okay. Greit. Greit. Greit, translating to all right or okay, is often used in casual agreement or consent. For example, Kan vi møtes klokka 8? Kan vi møtes klokka 8? Kan vi møtes klokka 8? Can we meet at 8? Greit, det passer for meg. Greit, det passer for meg. Greit, det passer for meg. All right, that works for me. Understanding these different ways to say yes in Norwegian can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in various situations. Each expression carries its own nuance, allowing for more precise and engaging conversations in Norwegian. Do you want to sign up or learn Norwegian in a Norwegian class? Join us now. There are classes now by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We also have a referral program right now. So if you refer a friend that starts to take Norwegian classes, you will get $150 and your friend will also get $100. So join us on a referral program where you get $150 and your friend also gets $100 when signing up for a Norwegian class. And you can join us by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You'll get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.